You just discovered Grip-In Extensions, the newest, easiest, and remarkable hair extension product assembled in the USA. The Grip-In is made of 100% Remy hair and consists of a two-piece interlocking system. Simply peel apart and place just below the hair part. Set with a confident infinity scooping movement. You'll feel the interlocking nibs intertwining with the hair, locking and tightening into place. To place the second piece, lift the first piece softly, then press together. There are 8 sets of hair to a packet, and you simply repeat the process by setting with an infinity motion. The Grip-In technology does all the work. You can place Grip-In extensions wherever you need to add volume, length, color, or to change your existing hairstyle. Another unique feature of Grip-In is that you can customize the width by simply cutting with your scissors. Customizing your placement allows you to create the fullest, most gorgeous head of hair imaginable. Add additional Grip-In pieces to supplement hair volume near the temple by using only one of the 2 pieces. The Grip-In technology will lock the 100% Remy hair into place. You don't have to worry about it slipping or moving. The patent-pending interlocking technology ensures security of placement, giving you a sense of comfort throughout your day. One feature of Grip-In technology is that you can use one side of the system. Again, by simply using a firm infinity motion to set the hair extension. Now that the model has her Grip-In extensions, you can blend, cut, color, bleach, perm, or curl the 100% Remy hair. Now to removing them. As you applied the first one, doing the infinity movement, locking it in, you will find the underneath one will come right out. Check for hair. Now you'll see how that is still really locked in. It's like a Chinese finger lock. So you're going to have to come in and vibrate these, and they come right out. And just tap them out. Always clear the hair and interlock before going on. Now you can discover the easy-to-use interlocking technology of Grip-In extensions.